signal. Jesus Christ.
The entire letter to Odell Beckham Jr. How come that part of it?
Every time. Of course we're going to do that. Wow, you made no attempt to stop at all, did you? Come on, go, 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 go. Move your ass, 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 move your ass. Not in front of a pedestrian, are you crazy? Whoa, 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 Jesus Christ. What? Are you fucking nuts? This is it, we're running red lights. It's wrong side of the road. I don't understand why people do that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Get off that road.
At VistaPrint.com, you can get 500 full-color business cards for only $9.99. That's right, only $9.99. Just go to VistaPrint.com.
Pull over if you're going to turn right. What the fuck are you doing?
That's VistaPrint.com. Promo code.
Could you get in your own lane, please?
Tell me a sad story. Oh my God.
That was way last second merging in. Douchebag with no headlights on. Yeah, you see, that's what happens, douche.
So I came up to Quebec in March. I had a vacation.
Well, Honda, what
I always
are you
try to do
doing?
different things. I have my kids with me, and I just.
She's like, what?
Fuck, man!
She's, what the fuck are you saying to me? You know what she thought I said? She thought.
A few moments later.
What the fuck is going on? Last second exit? Are you serious? Why can't people learn to fucking drive in the state? That was bad. Commercial vehicle in the left lane. And I think he's about to get pulled over too. Maybe, I don't. Oh, there he goes again. He merged into that left lane again. Please pull him over before our exit. Please pull him over before our exit, because this will be YouTube gold. No? They just love doing those surprise truck inspections. Come on. Oh, there he goes. Okay. Now he doesn't. I figured he just had to run his plates first. Hey, you're being ultra.
Is there any truth to that? I mean, do you buy that? Have you heard anything along those lines?
You're just going to turn anyways. Even though you could not see what the light was. Into the carpool lanes. That van. Why are you merging? Why'd you merge in front of me? Yeah, no reason to do that. Rhode Island. I guess that's how they drive there.
349 Jody and Resh, WTIC. News Talk today.
What are you doing in the left lane, dude?
The dress was too sloppy when I got him. But anyways, fuck it. What's been up, man? How's the daughter?
BMW that doesn't use their turn signals. What a surprise!
I read it on my mom and beat her. I can
Can't be in the left lane. It's funny how I just saw Saul get pulled over for that thing. Yeah, like, where are you gonna go? Yeah, you're dumb. You are way fucking dumb. Masshole.
Kids.org, where we believe in.
No.
Hey, this is Marcello from
Go F yourself.
The holidays are here, and I really got shopping burned out. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, even Christmas sales.
See a big fucking truck with no cars behind it?
A few moments later.
And of course we have people doing that, including that douche that just cut me off. Actually, no, that's a woman driver, so bitch that cut me off. I'm sorry. Oh, Jesus Christ. Last second. Yeah, great idea. Another last second. Get to play the game. Another last second. How last second?
Where Odell is bigger than the team, where Odell's gonna do what Odell wants to do, it can't continue this way. It just cannot. And they are.
I've never seen so much traffic on this road before. What are you doing? You're hitting your brakes for some reason. Are you lost? Yep, old person in a Subaru disorder. They would like check and see what their blinker says before they turn here. I don't think I've ever taken this road in this direction before. So I nearly made the same mistake.
I don't go to buffets much anymore for health reasons and restraining orders.
Can you stay out of my lane, please?
Said we're having haggis. Get out!
Dude, there's like a
Now,
car right
haggis
there.
comes with a whiskey gravy. That helped.
Come on, football, get out of the net.
Red light runner. I think you ran a red light.
Like burglary. The definition is jack.
Yeah, he's pulled over without signaling. That's okay, that guy just keeps going straight anyways. I. Stop. This is the KC train! Everyone's crazy in Willimantic!
There's a fine line between rubbing lotion on yourself and rubbing yourself with lotion. I think I crossed that line.
You suck.
And clean up injuries, and I get it, you know, the concussion's a bigger deal, but
how's that?
I think it's getting worse. You know,
Well, there are no posted, like, no right turn signs at the intersection, but still. Wow.
Day morning, the low Friday night near 40. The rest of the day Saturday cloudy, maybe a shower again in the afternoon. The high Saturday 40.
And it's red, bus.
Cloudy, breezy and mild with some rain. The high.
In over the years, you've been talking about the increasing amount of injuries in the NFL. And
No, turn on, Red.
You go to the 8.
Whoa, jeez. Yield to the guy.
This is Jim Roma, the CBS Triborough Bridge up to Yankee Stadium, etc. on the Harlem River Drive. The Grand Central is not too bad either. We had some earlier problems westbound near Springfield.
Jeez, how slow can you do it? What the fuck was that? And of course you were going to do that. And he's cutting across. Oh, people are dumb. Yeah, you're gonna do that. Wow! Whoa! Oh, what's that guy doing? You got your own lane, stay in it.
Southbound side of the Garden State Parkway loaded up from 137 down to 135 with a collision.
What's that tow truck doing?
McDonald's, McCafe, Chopper, 880, and Bridgeport, Los Angeles.
Ah, he's adjusting his GPS.
Playoffs, and Peyton Manning will be their starting quarterback. That from Coach Gary Kubiak today. Islanders and Capitals tonight at Barclays Center. The Isles are 1-3.
Don't even look to see if the car sees them.
They own the most points in the NHL.
My son, he's ready to go on the bend. New York Sports Radio. Mike's on. He'll get you to sports any way that he can. It's Mike Francesa on the fan. Sports Radio 66 and 101.9 FM. WFAN.